Hey there, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today we have some unboxings going on here, and this one is coming from my friend Peter, who has in the past lent in some watches to the channel. So appreciate your support, Peter. And I'll throw in Peter's Instagram account. He's very active on Instagram. And I'll put it here on the screen. And, I had been talking to him and a couple of the guys mentioning that I kind of have a thing for, sector dials lately. And there's a lot of options at different price points. And he said, well, why don't I got this Timex in. Why don't I send this in to you for you to take a look at? And here it is. I believe here's the part number and whatnot. So I've been debating whether I should get a sector dial watch or how much I should put into invest in a sector dial watch. Should I, go Longines, which is around $2,000? Do I give Baltic a chance? I've been curious about Baltic watches, and that's like around $500, $600. But not sure how long or the staying power of a sector dial in my collection would be, since they're kind of a little plain. I mean, classic looking but plain. And this one looks great. Yeah, I mean, Timex makes a great watch, and I really like the look of this one. Yeah, for sure. Let me put this on. So this may be like a little bit of a test ride for me. And thank you, Peter, again for letting me try this, and I'll do a full review. But Timex builds affordable watches, and this is a quartz watch. So you'll notice by the ticking there's no sweep of the seconds hand, but a good looking watch. It looks like it has some date functionality here. It's the time I think is set correctly as well, Sunday the 18th. So thanks, Peter. Thanks for sending us in. And there'll be a review on this shortly. All right, we got another box here. And this is coming from my buddy James. And he reached out to me. He's also a subscriber and a friend to the channel. And he reached out to me saying, hey, you want to take a look at a couple of watches? I said, sure. I'll take a look. And I already kind of forgot what he was going to send me, so bear with me, and actually you'll be able to hear the excitement in my voice because I totally forgot what he's going to send me. I think there's actually maybe a Vostok in here, so he did leave me a note. Okay, 4 watches, alrighty, packed very, very well. First watch here. Okay. A Citizen, yes. I love getting Citizens on the channel. I really do. It's one of my favorites. And this is a really cool chrono, pilot style chrono. Really, really love Eco Drive and everything that entails with that. Awesome. Very excited about that one. Amphibia Russian watches. Okay. Very cool. Interesting. I don't know if I ever heard of Amphibia. Should I have? Maybe I should have. Yeah, let me get some light in here. Very, very cool. Look forward to doing a review on that one. Thank you, sir. Let's get that out of the way over here. And here we go. Here's another box. It really is like Christmas, man. It really is always like Christmas. Here we go. An unboxing. And this one, what's this guy? Oh, yeah, sure. It's a Sea-Gull. I think it is. Yeah. Sea-Gull chrono. Let's take a look at that movement. Case back. Yes. Exhibition case back. Love these things. Hand wound chronographs with a beautiful beautiful display in the back here. Looking forward to reviewing those. And let's see what else he's got here. This I think has got to be the Vostok, right? No, Seiko. Oh, okay. So why did I think? Yeah, maybe that Russian watch. Maybe that's where I got confused. And a Seiko looks like another like pilot watch style here. Looking forward to that as well. Very, very interesting. Thank you, my friend James. And let's get into the other box. Okay, another good friend to the channel sent in a box. And I think I know what these are. I'm surprised he got them so quick. I thought he would have to wait a little while longer. But I'm keeping him anonymous because he prefers that, and probably because he knew I'd bust his chops about the packing peanuts. But they are a great way to pack things for sure. Definitely. Okay. Let's see here. Benchmade. What's this? Did he pack the? Yep. Oh man, this is awesome. This is a mini Osborne here. What a cool look! What a cool knife, for sure. I gotta talk to him about this. I hope. Okay. Hilarious. Okay, so a couple new G-Shock releases, and he sent them straight to me. I am so grateful that he's allowing me to really unbox them. So I got to do reviews on this quickly so I could get it back to him, because I know he is dying to get these back here. And I'll put the model numbers here. I'm terrible with model names, but this is a new G-Shock release. Oh yeah, look at that color. Oh man, that is awesome. This just came out. So I will put the part number on the video. But these are so cool. If I wasn't on my watch fast, I would have bought this for sure. Awesome. This is awesome. And then here is, I think, one of the thinnest steel G-Shocks around. Let me put this back over here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man. Whoa, this baby. That is killer. Oh man. That is beautiful. Wow. Look at this black bracelet, black metal bracelet. Oh man, what a beauty. What a beauty. Awesome. Well, thank you so much for sending this in, guys, and I look forward to doing the reviews, and thank you for hanging in there. And man, I'm gonna have a fun week of reviews here this week, so I'll see you guys soon in the review videos.